Gosh almighty, look at that mess. They just curled up. So this year we've got 6 25-gallon bags of Covington variety sweet potatoes, okay? We put 4 plants inside of each bag. So let's get started. Some of these are getting uncovered here, so I'm gonna pop them out of the ground here first because they're right here on top.
That's not bad.
Nope, that's a good one. This one right here's gonna be good.
Oh yeah.
Good, that's a good potato. Good sweet potatoes. So there's another one. Yep.
Those are good ones.
Oh yeah. A little one. Oh, he broke off on me. He broke off on me. Here's the other half of him. He was okay before that. He was doing alright. He just broke off. Tom broke off. Alright. Sorry about that. That was, see, if I made Angela laugh, it was a little corny.
Yep, that's very true.
Alright.
Angela does love corny jokes.
There's another one. Hang on. There's some more. That's the strangest sweet potato ever. Look at that.
That will be a hard one to peel.
I believe it will. That's a good sized one, but like, gosh almighty, look at that mess. They just curled up. That's the most interesting sweet potato we've ever gotten. I do believe. But it's a good size.
At least he didn't die when he curled up.
It's true, he didn't curl up and die.
That'd be a good name for a beauty shop.
You curl up and die. Yeah. That's what I have to do with it, folks. Alright. That's why I love her. See what we got down here now. Probably ain't much after that. That's probably most of it.
There's more.
Oh, there's another one. That's good. That didn't surprise me. That's good. That ain't bad.
That's nothing to sneeze at.
No, not at all. Well, I'll sneeze in a little bit. This dirt's gonna get up my nose. I'll sneeze.
Just don't sneeze at the sweet potatoes.
That's a work.
Oh, wow.
That's a good one. And a little seal. Sorry about it.
This isn't Easter.
Alright, that's not the curl up and die. That wasn't as good. Curl up and die, I had to play my game and not laugh. It was funny. Curl up and die was good. I don't know, he'll eat.
He'll eat.
He'll eat.
All sweet taters will eat.
Yeah. Hey, uh-oh. Boom.
Ooh.
That's about as fat as one you'll get.
He's a gorgeous one.
That's a good sweet potato right there. Hey, a hump. Hey, a see, get around there now. But
he took all the energy.
He did. I think he did. Uh-oh. Yep, there's another curly one. What is wrong with these curly sweet potatoes? Now, I'll eat them. I'm not going to discriminate against them.
I'll make curly fries out of them.
She's funny. I enjoy this thoroughly. I do those reactions, I'm not mad at it. That's funny. That is not me being mad. That's me giving her a reaction of her silliness, which is good. Adds a lot of flavor to life. And that's how things operate here. She's funny.
I tell the corny jokes and he gives me good reaction.
Yeah. Oh, here's another something. There it is. He ain't bad. He'll eat. Seems to be a little easier to get the sweet potatoes out by doing this, don't it? At this point.
Yeah.
Because once you turn the bag over, there ain't a whole lot left to dig through. There's a good. He'll eat.
Yep.
This seems to be the old curly Q year for sweet potatoes. I don't know why that is. If somebody's smarter than me and can tell me why they all curled up, even though they're good size, let me know. But I ain't complaining about them because that's a good sweet potato.
Just gonna be hard to peel.
Just hard to peel. Hard to peel. Alright, let's see here. See if there's anything left. I'm not sure there is. Oh, there's one. Always something you missed. Always something you missed. Pull them apart well, you'll get to see. That's pretty much it.
Yep.
Here we go. Another one. Let's try to do this one a different way here. I'm gonna pop a couple of these out before I dump them.
That one's pretty.
Yeah, it's a good one. There's a couple of these I found them before I was getting the plants undone here. Oh, here's a good one. Well, he's just rounder. That's strange. Look at that one.
He's pretty though.
Oh yeah, it's a good one. Oh, it's a good plant right here, so I'm trying to get them. Another one. Another one. It's all together. Some little ones. Oh, there's a good one.
Oh gosh, he's beautiful.
Yeah, he is. So, that's all one plant right there. This top edge, there's more.
That's a plant that keeps on giving.
It is, it's doing good. It's off right there, I'm not sure.
I like plants that keep on giving.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to dump this dirt now. Maybe. Well, see what's here.
He's pretty.
It's good. So let's see. I'm gonna have to dump it out though.
Flip it.
Just trying to make it easier to get all the dirt out. You know?
Get the dirt out in a controlled way.
Yeah, trying. Nothing. There's a few. Trying to get them out appropriately. Ain't bad.
No.
Those will eat. Those will eat. There we go. There's something was inside the compost, I guess. We'll get it later. Whatever the heck that was. Sometimes you get some bad bagged compost or even regular compost from company. You'll wind up with random objects in it.
Yep.
It just happens that way. This happens that way. Alright, I see some potatoes in this. I'm trying to get uncovered. Goodness gracious. Get out of here.
I saw tater.
Oh, I'm sure you did. Okay, let's see here. There we go. This is kind of helping us out here. It's separated for us. Those are good ones. They'll eat. Here's a good one. Trying to pop it out of the ground.
He is a pretty one.
These are Covington potatoes, so that they do not get the big round potatoes that you're normally seeing from other varieties. It's a different variety, and this is about how they look. Honestly, maybe a little bit longer or fatter around, but not much bigger. So if you see that, it's not unusual for these potatoes. That's how they're supposed to look. You know, you're just not gonna get the big round ones like you would normally see.
But you'll get a much better flavor and a much better texture from them.
Enjoy the flavor and texture much better. Absolutely.
They're a smooth, creamy texture and a very sweet flavor that doesn't need much sugar added.
Yep. Yep. So that's why we grow these. Is for those reasons. They're doing good here. Lose them. Little bitty one. Not sure there's much else in there. Alright, here we go. Another one. It's so hard getting all this dirt out here.
It's packed so tight.
Yeah, it is.
And then the sweet potatoes compact it more.
Yeah, they do. Alright. Got it out of there. Let's see. You know, there's a couple good ones in here because we've seen them.
Yep.
Like right here.
Oh
Nice
gosh,
one.
he's
Nice
gorgeous.
Here we go, another nice one.
Oh wow.
Pretty ones.
Those are very pretty.
They're nice.
I won't complain about those.
No, heck no. Nope. Littles.
You'll always get a lot of littles.
Yep. Nope. There's another plant right here. There's another.
Ooh, those are pretty.
That's pretty. Little one in there somewhere. You'll notice as you go through sweet potato plants, like the thicker the stems at the ground, the better your sweet potatoes are.
Always.
And we cut all the plants off the top of these before we started. That way, I didn't have the vines to contend with all over the place. But like, you'll just notice again when you see them. Okay, well these stems are pretty thick. I'm gonna probably have some good potatoes in there. Or if they're not that thick, maybe you won't have that many potatoes in there. You know, they'll just be kind of evident as you go along which ones are going to be better, which ones are not. All right, let's see what's in this bag. Oh, or they're big bags, heavy bags. One, 2, 3. It's a little different than getting potatoes out because they're kind of everywhere in there.
Oh gosh, those are pretty.
That's a nice one. Well, it's not bad.
I'll take any of these.
There's a few. There's a good one. There's a good one.
He's a pretty one.
That's a good one. Another little one. It's okay. That's alright. Maybe like last year, though, the one in the back was the one that had the least in it.
Yeah, that was true last year.
Yeah, the one in the back had the least in it. Maybe it got a little less sun. I don't know. But it's the same way it was last year.
Yep.
The one in the back had the least. There's a good one though.
Ooh, that's pretty.
They were hiding in there a little bit.
There's 3 of them.
There's a little.
Yeah. He's a baby.
Yep. Alright, there you have it. We got a solid amount of sweet potatoes. Maybe a little less than we got last year, honestly. But it's still really good. This bushel basket, nearly full. Last year was pretty much completely full, so we were missing maybe 10 pounds at the top. But, so like, I think they said 50 pounds is about a bushel, and this is probably closing in on 40 pounds, honestly. So it's still a nice amount of sweet potatoes. Got a lot of really nice ones. Of course, got the old curly ones. Angela's gonna make curly fries out of, right? But beautiful sweet potatoes nonetheless. We're happy with them. And these will eat very well. Thank the Lord for good sweet potatoes. And thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. My name is Jason. The corny one, her name's Angela Kay. This is Art of Creation Homestead. We love y'all. God bless you and goodbye.